So here's a quick look at my haul from Lowe's. I got some more of these Gara plants. They're perennial. I have 3 at home that haven't been planted yet. These are gorgeous. Angelinas. Angelina. Angelonia. Keep trying, you get it right. These are annuals, but I tell you what, they're so pretty. I just wanted them in my yard. This will come back, of course. It is, what do you call these again? Coral bells, I think. But I love the color of the flower. I don't usually like their flowers, but the hummingbirds like them, so. I said this had shades of pink. They had them in the sun. They're trying to kill them. So, and this here is a Rex begonia. What type, I don't know. But look at the colors. Isn't that beautiful? So for the price, $7.98. It's an annual. I know, I don't know. I just wanted it because it was pretty. And this too, the fried elephant ear. This one's going to go outdoors. I've always wanted one. I could picture where I want it. So hopefully it won't be too sunny in that area. I'm just going to keep it in a pot until I see how it does in that sun. Doesn't really get, the area I think is perfect now. It used to be full sun, but not anymore. It's going to be outside, growing tall and happy, I hope. All right, guys. And also, wait. I want to show you this. This is cute. I like this little mat. Sorry, I'm trying to keep my cart from rolling. Here we go. Isn't that nice? I'm going to put that on my front door. Okay, guys, so onward to the next destination, which is, I don't know where. I think I need food first. All right, guys. Talk to you later.